Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Meenakshi. School morning assembly anchoring script. Ideas for New Year celebration. Life is a blessing from God, the Creator. First, let's get down on our knees to thank God for everything. Everything we have is due to His kindness. And with God's blessings, let's start our day. Heartfelt morning to all. My name is Meenakshi Chaudhary, student of class 9, and I welcome to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Sir, teachers, and my fellow students in today's morning assembly. My dear friends, the 1st January represents the fresh start of a new year after a period of remembrance of the passing year, isn't it? Let's recall last year's achievement and failures. Let's appreciate all the good things that the past year has given to us. Let's evaluate our lives, plan, and resolve to take action and let the old year end and new year begin with warmest aspirations. Once again, we thank God for lifting us up every time and encouraging us to move forward. And let's pray to God for new strength. Now, everybody get ready for prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. And after prayer, end pledge. As we grow older and wiser, we begin to realize what we need and what we need to leave behind. The 2023's beginning is a time filled with self-improvement and self-reflection, but more importantly, a time when we required few encouraging thoughts, encouraging words. And why to wait? Let's take some inspiration from today's thought. And for thought of the day, I invite on stage Vamika from class 9. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vamika. Thought of the day is: the secret of change is to focus all of your energy, not on fighting the old, but on building the new. Thank you. Have a nice day. And thank you very much, Vamika. Somebody said that life will only change when you become more committed to your dreams than you are to your comfort zone. Dear friends, life is temporary, but we should spend life doing productive works. And New Year comes with new promises, new goals, and new rules. Let us promise to ourselves to start doing something good or stop doing something bad on this new year. And with this, let's enjoy the next, which is a poem, and I invite on stage Nima and Shireen from class 9 to recite a poem. Thank you to both of you. Civilizations around the world have been celebrating the start of each new year for at least 4 millennia. People of all ages and from different walks of life come together to usher in a year of prosperity and health. Dear friends, everybody wants to celebrate the beginning of the new year with joyful celebrations with near and dear ones. Let's get know more about the history and significance of this day, and I invite on stage Jasmine from class 9th to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Jasmine, for such a knowledgeable speech. January is the perfect time to refresh procedures as well as to take resolutions and set new learning goals. As we are going to begin with a new slate, we share our experiences, old and bad. We share our resolutions, and we have good time and occasion as well. So I invite on stage students from class 11th and 12th to share their experiences with us. Thank you very much for sharing your amazing experiences with us. Let me take this opportunity to thank all our teachers who have been working very hard to teach us. I thank to all the teachers on behalf of each and every student. Thank you for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. And on this beautiful occasion, I would like to invite the respected Mrs. Shalini ma'am onto the stage to speak a few words to us. Thank you very much, ma'am, for such inspiring words. And after national anthem, my dear friends, let's we all thank God for being with us every day of every year. Let's we thank God for making all things new and for giving us the grace of fresh starts and new beginnings. And once again, I wish you all very happy new year. And now here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a gorgeous day.